In this video, we will show you how to change the wallpaper on a laptop or desktop computer running Windows 10 or Windows 11. Follow these simple steps to customize your desktop background according to your preferences. To begin, right-click on your desktop and select Personalize from the context menu. This will open the personalization settings, where you can modify the appearance of your desktop. In the background section, you will find 4 options to customize your wallpaper: Picture, Solid Color, Slideshow, and Windows Spotlight. If you wish to set a picture as your wallpaper, then select the picture option as your desktop background. You can browse to upload an image of your choice. Once selected, the wallpaper will be applied to your desktop. You might prefer to have a solid color as your background. If so, choose solid color as your desktop background. Simply pick the desired color from the palette, and it will be set as your wallpaper. Maybe you want to showcase your favorite pictures in a slideshow. Simply select Slideshow and select the desired folder containing your images. If you would like a fresh wallpaper image every other day, then select Windows Spotlight. Windows will present a new image on your wallpaper every other day. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button below and share it with your friends. If you want to see more videos like this, click subscribe and join us.